you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a hair coloring tutorial. All the products that I'm going to be using will be listed in the description bar below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So let's get started. So the first color that I'm going to be using is Adore Purple Rage. You want to make sure that the hair is heavily saturated with hair color, because you don't want, blonde spots or blonde patches in the hair. So just make sure that you use a lot of product, to make sure that every strand is coated with the hair color. So the next section, I'm going to be using Adore Titanium and Kiss Platinum. I mixed those two together to get a custom color. So here I'm going to be using Adore. This is their Vivid Velvet color. I love this color. This color is so beautiful. You guys know that I am a type of person that loves to do different shades of each color. I'm not shady, okay? I just love different dimensions of colors. It's just beautiful to me. So Kiss and Adore are two semi-permanent hair colors. So gradually they fade depending on like your shampoo and your condition process. And it basically lasts up to 4 to 6 shampoos. The disadvantage about semi-permanent hair colors that I don't like is that when you apply heat to it, it increases fading, so it fades out. But I mean, you still have a great hair color at the end of the day, right? By the way, I'm using Adore African Violet. This is such a beautiful color. It may look blue and then it may look purple. This is how I like my hair to look, like different shades of the same color. Okay, hello. Oh, I'm going to be using the Adore Titanium and then the Kiss Platinum. I'm going to mix those two together and put it on the tips, and then I'm going to top it off with the Adore African Violet. So moving forward, I'm going to be showing you guys these 3 powders, vegan, 100% vegan, okay, just putting it out there. This is the Malibu Professional line. I'm just going to open the box and show you guys what I received. I received the color pigment removal, the shampoo, the conditioner, the direct dye lifter, so you don't have to use any developer. You can use this product, which is bomb, because who wants their hair to be damaged? Okay, no one wants that. So again, the products are 100% vegan, which is a plus. I received this while I was in cosmetology school. I am a licensed cosmetologist, and I do have a student discount with them. So moving forward, I'm going to be using the blues, the reds, and the yellow. So these 3 are primary colors. So you start with your primary colors because they produce every other color. So yellow and blue mix green, red and blue mix violet, and red and yellow mix orange. So like you can mix and dabble into this, which is amazing. To activate this color, you need water. Okay, now I'm going to apply the custom color that I made on that section. It looks so beautiful. It looks like a rich red and brownish color. Then I'm going to top it off with some, I believe this is Rich Eggplant from Adore, and I'm just going to blend in that custom color. And then this section right here, I use Cyan with the Malibu Professional line at the end, at the tips, and I'm going to gradually bring that color up, okay, and smooth it out, because you do not want any lines of demarcation. You don't want like to basically like people will know where your color starts and ends. You don't want that. You want everything to fade out just like this, just like this. I took a picture because I was amazed and fascinated how the color looks like. And moving forward, I use Rich Eggplant from Adore, and then I went in with with, I believe this is Lavender from Adore as well. Then I'm so annoying. Then I went in with the rich eggplant on the roots because I just wanted everything to look nice. Like I want some kind of root action. Like I just don't want, you know, to look like a clown. So I used the rich eggplant, and then I went in with Cyan from Kiss Tintation, and I'm gonna blend that color all together. So you want to always have neat partings. You guys don't, like, try your best not to put the color on the lace because you're working with a lace, not an actual human head. And I know sometimes it may be very difficult, so just try your best, you know, neat partings, and be very gentle because again, you're working with lace and you just want to make sure everything is neat and nice, and you want to be, you know, as neat as possible. Okay. So it's time for me to shampoo and condition the hair. I'm using this product right here to shampoo the hair. And yeah, so one thing I noticed is that the Malibu color, the watercolor, was bleeding. Not a lot, just a little bit, because it's water and it's made out of powder and water. So I believe, yeah, it's gonna bleed. It's definitely gonna bleed. Then I went ahead and let the hair air dried, and this is it, y'all. It looks so beautiful. Right now the hair is 80% dry, so I had to just leave it on my mannequin. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god. And then I went ahead and blow dry the hair using a paddle brush. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. I feel like this is the best job that I've ever done. Okay, look at that. It looks so beautiful. Remember, this is that, and on the ends is the Malibu color that I use. And look at that. Oh, that is so cute. It is so cute. Like, don't ever be afraid to try colors because it's just like you'll never know what you will get, you know. That's why I always try to use different colors, just to see how, you know, like, just to see how it is. Like, oh my god, like, this is beautiful. Like, this is not nice. I'm sorry. Anyways, let me stop talking. So again, I just went ahead and blow dried. I did not fly iron this hair at all. I did not fly iron it at all. And then I'm going to go ahead and curl the hair using my Marcel iron. As you guys can see, I use my Chi, and here you go. This is the final look. I did my little pin curls and whatnot. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching.